Hello everybody. I found this program yesterday, uh, Wordle, and it makes the text clouds that we see on a lot of websites and stuff. I thought people did that by hand, layer by layer for each word. But here's a program that does it, and it is really a lot of fun. When I went to install this, let's see, if you want to go to download it, go to www.wordle.net, wordle.net, and you can get your download there and read some on it. But I just wanted to show you some stuff on here. First, you need some words to paste into it, and that could be from anything, a poem or lyrics or whatever you're interested in. Constitution of the United States if you want. And right click and make a copy your text only please, and on your text tab here, left click on the white area and hold down your control key on your keyboard, control, and press the V as in vase or vase, and paste it. And it could just be a list of words, one word per line. It'll do either one of those. And if you left click on Wordle, the Wordle tab, why then it'll pop up and use some of those words. Doesn't use all of them. Down here you got a randomize button that you could use, that you can left click and get different results. Some people love the randomize. I do on some things. And over here you can save as a ping when you get done with whatever you like, or save and then continue. If you got a word that's showing up that you don't like, you don't want on there, you can actually, let's see, like live. I can right click on whatever word I want. See, it gives me the option, remove live. Yeah, okay. Now live's gone. So that's cool that you can pick out words to remove from there. All right, I'm going to walk through some of these things here, just to kind of show you what it does here. Language. On language, I've got remove common English words chosen on here. It will take out like is, the, and, not the important words that we would want to show. So it will remove those. So that's probably an option you might want to keep on there. And here's four different options up here. Leave words as spelled. Let's see, make all words lowercase. So they're all lowercase now. Or we can make all words uppercase, and they're all capitalized letters now. Or guess case for each word. So that's kind of nice. It gives you a mix of things, which is cool. I like that this time. And how about fonts? You can pick different fonts to use, and it will use that font to make the cloud of text, whatever you use. And let's see, I'll pick teen. I don't know. I won't. Let's see. Yeah, we'll use that mail stuff or whatever it is. And layout. Layout's cool. Here's like a redo with, but you keep the same settings, so you get different effects, but it's the same settings that you're using, which is really handy. And maximum words. Well, you can choose how many words you want in your up to how many words you want in your cloud. I just leave mine at 150, and it does pretty good, seems like. And let's see, we've got rounder edges, which makes it more of like a eclipse shape, seems like. And straighter edges, that's more of a box-like shape. I'll leave it on box-like for this demo. And mostly horizontal. Let's see, it turns some one way and some the other. half and half. I like that usually, half and half. And mostly vertical, mostly, and just vertical, which is pretty ordinary, I'd say, once you flip it around. So let's keep mostly horizontal, I guess. Now let's go to color. Lots of color options here. Black and white, black on white rather, white on black. And then you have color palettes here on black background, so you can pick those. That is really cool. And you have the reverse options of white background using the color palettes on there. But what's cool down here is edit custom palette. And on this, we can choose what colors we want or how many different colors we want, like number of colors. You can see I'll add a square over here, or you can take them away. You could have 3 colors if you want, or etc. So we'll choose 4. This first square here is for the background, as it says background. You just left click on it and choose whatever color you want. I'll just choose boring black, and we'll choose some colors here. I'm just going to use light shades to contrast with the black background I'm going to have. And let's see, let's go. And you just click OK or reset if that's what you want. And so I got something that'll contrast nice. Watch how it changes. See that? That is cool, huh? And you can change the colors around, recolor, or let's see, some variation. Variation on that will be like not the exact colors that you pick, maybe, but variations on, lots of variation. And see, it actually looks like more than 4 colors now, right? Because it's wild variation. Hey, that's pretty cool too. Oh, this thing is a lot of fun. And like on this layout, you can do it with the current settings. Keep the same colors that you want, different shapes. And that is very cool. And that's it. I wanted to show you that. You can print this out. Another thing that you might want to think about is if you got a program like Photoshop or PSP or another graphic program, you can remove the background and have it as a partial transparency too. That's cool. So I wanted to show you that. I hope you like my little demo here. This is a great program. Let's see, the only problem I had with it installing it was that I had to use oh, what's that called? Dadgummit. It will have a pop-up and it'll tell you. Let's see. Java for 64-bit. You have to add that on this. Okay, this is Doyle. People know me from HootyTuts. I'm the Hooty. And we'll talk to you later. See ya.